Use Allen wrench to remove stem bolts. Insert and align your handlebars. Reinstall stem bolts using a star pattern. Use Allen wrench to remove bolt. Next, grab the front headlight and bolt. Use Allen wrench to tighten bolt. Connect wires using the arrows to ensure there's no bent pins. Use Allen wrench to remove bolts. Like that video before I get mad. Now reinstall your fender strut bolts. Prepare your quick release skewer. Always best to apply some grease. Remove the cap and spring and prepare wheel for installation. Add some tension and close your quick release clamp. Power up your pedals, but first grease them. Make sure you locate the left-right indicators so you install them on the proper side. Take your pedal wrench and reverse pedal to tighten fully. Make sure you double check your rotor bolts to ensure proper torque. Check your crank arm bolts to ensure proper torque. Shift up and down all gears multiple times to ensure proper shifting. Take a moment to admire your new ride. and then take it for a spin. This electric bike is packed with impressive features that make it stand out. A 500-watt rear hub motor, suspension fork, seven-speed drivetrain, 2.4-inch tires, a cadence sensor, mechanical disc brakes, 15 amp hour battery, advertising 40 to 60 miles of range, and a 2-year warranty from a proven brand. If you like our content, please like and subscribe. If you have any video ideas, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching us today. If you're excited about more e-bike action, hit us up at BOJ-E-BIKES on the social medias or visit our website at BOJ-E-BIKES.com. Give us a call at 630-777-4220 or come on down to our shop at 26 North Island Avenue in Batavia, Illinois.